Hi everyone, welcome back to Omi's Home Cooking. Today we are making crispy Namak Pare. It's really simple recipe of very delicious and crispy Namak Pare, or you can call it Nimki. I will be sharing 4 different ways to make Namak Pare with the same dough, so stay connected till the end of this video. And if you are new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe us by clicking on the red subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notification of all the upcoming recipes. So let's get started with today's recipe. To make namak pare, first of all, take 2 cups of plain flour, which is maida, in a large bowl. Add half a teaspoon of salt and 1.5 teaspoon of ajwain, or you can add roasted cumin seeds or kalonji. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar and 3 tablespoons of oil. Now mix it well and crumble the mixture to mix the oil well with the other ingredients. Once oil is mixed well with all the other dry ingredients, it should come together like this, but it must be still crumbly. Now add water little by little to make unsmooth and tight dough. Dough should not be soft, it must be tight but not dry. Make sure to use small amount of water at first. Mix it well before you add any more water in it. In case your dough is going soft, then you can add a bit more flour into it to get the tight dough. Once dough is ready, then cover it with wet muslin or cotton cloth and let it rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, remove the cloth and roll the dough gently to make it smooth. You can roll it on the board, and now I'm going to cut it into 4 portions to make a namak pare of 4 different shapes. And make sure to keep the rest of the portions in a bowl by covering them with wet cloth. Use first portion of the dough and roll it on the board to divide it into equal parts. Use a knife or a cutter to cut them into small portions. Roll each portion to make a small bowl. Use a rolling pin and roll them all. Make thick matti or namakpara. This should be the thickness. It's not too thick, not too thin. Now using a knife, make 2 cuts in the middle on each matti or namakpara and keep them aside. For next shapes, take another portion of the dough and roll it on the board. This time roll it as thin as possible. I've got really thin roll ready and going to spread some oil or ghee on the top. You can either use brush or use your hand to spread the oil or ghee and sprinkle some flour. It will give you a namak pare very crispy and flaky texture. Now roll it gently and press it down to lock the edges. For second shape, cut the roll into just half an inch thick pieces. And for third shape, divide the roll into pieces for about 2 inches. Use a small disc, press it down a little bit, and it's ready. And for third shape, use the 2-inch thick roll and press it down gently. Now roll it to make thin nimki or namakpara. This is one of my favorite. This I've got a lot of layers and it's going to be so flaky and crispy. So that's our third shape done. For fourth shape, use again 2-inch thick roll and press it down. Now roll it as thin as possible. Now spread some oil or ghee on the top and some flour. After spreading oil and flour, fold it once and press it gently. Spread some oil and flour again and fold it again to make a triangular shape. Using a fork or a toothpick, poke it so it won't get bubbles and it will hold the shape when we will fry them. Once all the namak pare are ready, fry them in the hot oil. Keep the temperature from low to medium heat. It's important to have oil at good temperature. The oil should only bubble around the namak para when you will put them in the oil. And make sure to keep the heat on low to medium. If you will fry them on high heat, the namak pare will get cooked from outside, but you won't get that crispiness and flakiness. So keep frying them until they turn golden brown, and then take them out and let them come to the room temperature. You can store them in an airtight container and enjoy this crispy snack with your tea time. As you can see, it's really crispy. I can break it easily and it will break into so many different flakes. Try this recipe at home. It's really simple and you need ingredients which are already available in your kitchen. And don't forget to let us know that which shape was your favorite shape. And if you have enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel by clicking on the bell icon to get notification of all the upcoming recipes. You can also choose to watch our next video or a playlist from the screen, and you can subscribe our channel using the link on the screen or link mentioned in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay healthy, stay safe.